Piston engines ruled the 1930s with 1,000 horse and looking for more. Halford and Napier dreamed of a hyper motor and drew up a flat H24 with twin crank shafts and 5-port sleeve valves. Changing 48 plugs took all day, and it cranked out power like no tomorrow. It's Napier Sabre Day. Well, word got out of its 4-cannon clout. People said it was a dangerous plane, but Hawker was proud and they stood their ground so it could chase them Focke-Wulfs away. Some folks whispered and some folks talked, but the rocket Typhoon saved the day. When Tigers got blew up, there was no more doubt. It's Hawker Typhoon Day. Let freedom ring, let them sleeve valves sing. Let the whole world know that today is a grand awakening. That H24 gonna scream once more. Pull the chocks away, let the Typhoon play. It's Napier Sabre Day. When squadrons of Typhoons were clearing the sky, Rolls really didn't like that plane, but fighting against it was in vain, with their vultures going down in flames. I don't know if it's right or it's wrong, but maybe it was the only way of making 2,000 plus horsepower day after day. Let Tiffys wing, let them sleeve valves sing. Let the whole world know that today is a grand awakening. That H24 gonna scream once more. Pull the chocks away, let the Typhoon play. It's Napier Sabre Day. Pull the chocks away, it's Hawker Typhoon Day.